Alex here. Today I want to share exciting news that we certified and released to GA a new exciting device. Today I'm gonna present you and then demo a little bit MTR8 touchscreen D10 D7X 55-inch. It is touchscreen display. It has 4K camera and wide array microphones. It actually has 15 microphones in this thing. And of course it packs all the goodness that MTR on Android has to offer. So you can do whiteboard with it. You can do meetings with it. You can do collaboration with your peers. So all the goodness of Microsoft Teams and Microsoft Teams rooms that comes with MTR8 is packed in this device. So again, as you remember, you can collaborate with your peers in the office and across the globe by using Microsoft Teams meetings and Microsoft Whiteboard. And of course, you can do scheduled meetings and you can do Meet Now. So I'm gonna join my virtual team in my demo meeting and just mute a little bit. So again, all the goodness of Teams meetings and on MTR on Android, and you can switch to large gallery. So I have 15 members of the team here. And then you can go to together mode. So more hybrid scenario, but more immersive experience of having everyone sitting like in auditorium. And then of course you have emojis. You can raise your hand and participate in non-verbal way in your meetings. So again, D10 D7X 55-inch MTR8 touchscreen is certified for Microsoft Teams. And if you have comments or questions, check subscribe button and post your comments. I will be happy to demo you specific scenarios that you are interested in. Thank you.